Welcome to OP Lesson 5, Concave and Convex Mirrors. The purpose of this lesson is to understand how different types of mirrors reflect images. It should take you about an hour to complete the lesson. For materials, you'll need your Pearson resource, and you'll need some various mirrors from around the house, shaving, makeup mirrors, these are the travel kind, car mirrors, which you'll find outside the house, and you can take a look at the driver's and passengers' rear view mirrors to see how they reflect images, a bathroom mirror, and some large shiny spoons which act just like mirrors do. Once you've gathered those materials, it'll be time to proceed to the activity, and you see that right here. You'll use the fact sheet on the following page of the lesson to learn about different types of mirrors and how they reflect light and images. And you should also read the section on mirrors in your text, and that'll be Pearson 106 to 109. Once you've done that, it's time to play with mirrors and images, and you'll follow the activity on page 108 of your resource to do that. In the space below, you're going to make some ray diagrams that explain how images are created by those mirrors. You'll want to be sure to label your diagrams, so you should expect to be using terms such as incident ray, reflected ray, and normal in your diagrams. Here you see a space provided for concave mirrors, and note it's asking for two ray diagrams. A little farther on, you see space provided for convex mirrors. That requests just one ray diagram, and you'll record that in here. When that's done, name 4 everyday examples of these mirrors. A hint for being able to name those examples would be to look back at your materials list. Here's the mirrors and reflection fact sheet. It talks about 3 different types of mirrors. You see plane mirrors, you see concave mirrors, and convex mirrors. Plane mirrors, you see here, are flat. Concave mirrors have a center that is farther away from you, and it's like looking into a little cave. Convex mirrors, on the other hand, are mirrors that have the center bulging out towards you. Now these mirrors all produce reflected images, and there are 2 types of reflected images. There are virtual images and there are real images. The easiest way to think about the reflection of these kinds of mirrors is by remembering the fact that all 3 kinds of mirrors produce virtual images, but real images are formed only by concave mirrors. Now, once you've done the activity, you can extend your learning by reading and thinking about this particular point here, and then possibly doing some internet searching using terms such as concave mirror, convex mirror, virtual image, real image, science, and kids. And these should help you learn a little more about reflection. You can check your understanding once you've completed the activity by answering questions 3, 4, and 5 in your resource. And when you've completed those questions, you can share your answers with someone else, and that should bring you to the end of Lesson 5.